Hi, I'm Dr. Cecilia de Martino, and I'm a naturopathic doctor, and I want to talk about what it is that I treat, how I treat, and what it is to come in and see me. So basically, the initial visit is between an hour to an hour and a half, and I always ask my patients to bring in their intake forms filled out, which can be found on my website under forms, under willowwellnessclinic.com and forms. And with this intake form, it helps guide me in terms of what your chief concerns are, and there will be many questions asked about your health, about your chief concerns, when they started, how long they've lasted, and about some family history. And after that, we do a physical exam. So that's listening to your heart and lungs, your blood pressure, looking into your ears and mouth, and feeling your lymph nodes, and abdominal exam. And the other thing that I do is I do some muscle testing in my practice. So different muscles can correspond to different organ systems. And I use a mixture of energetic medicine with my scientific background. So looking at your blood works, if you have that, bring that in. As naturopathic doctors, we can send you for blood work to Life Labs. The only thing is that it is a private expense. So I always try to get my patients to bring in what they have through their medical doctor, through OHIP, and then we can always add other tests privately if we need to. And so that allows me to figure out what's going on, why are you feeling the way you're feeling, because we want to find out the cause. And then in terms of treatments, that can vary. It can be a botanical, it could be a vitamin, a mineral, it could be all of those. It could be acupuncture, it could be counseling, stress management, it could be a homeopathic medicine as well. So there are many different tools that we use. A lot of the conditions that I see and the ones that I love to treat are predominantly women's health, so hormone imbalances. So anything from problems with your period, problems with menopausal symptoms, problems with fertility and conception. Those are a lot of what I see. So anything hormonal related, or hormonal issues related, hot flashes, that sort of thing. I also see a lot of people with problems with fatigue, so energy, low energy, difficulties with keeping their energy throughout the day, problems sleeping. And so that is another area that I look at, specifically if there's any deficiencies there. I look at the adrenals, which are the glands above your kidneys that can really affect how we feel in so many different ways. And lastly, but also very importantly, I look at the digestive system. So if you have gas or bloating, if you have constipation, if you have loose stools, urgencies, if you just don't feel well when you eat certain foods, or maybe it's not food related. All of those things are really important, because the digestive system is basically the foundation of good health. So if we don't have a good digestive tract and a digestive system, it can really affect our whole body. So it can affect our mind, it can give us mood problems, depression, anxiety. It can also affect our joints. So if we have a lot of joint aches, it can also not only affect our digestive system, but it can also affect our energy levels and just make us feel really blah, right? And so looking at the digestive system is really, really important, optimizing that, whether it's through diet, through a good probiotic, for example. So these are all things that I look through and look at to make sure that you are at optimal health. So I hope that answers some of your questions about what to expect. My website is willowwellnessclinic.com, and so you can check out the website for more information, or contact me, or book online through that link as well. I hope to see you soon.